I think it's important. Clutter. Take some time Hey guys, Giselle here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my laundry slash hair closet. Today's video is going to be about spring cleaning. I'm going to clean out all of my extra hair products that I have here, and I'm gonna basically take you guys along with me while I do this. I think it's important for us to take a couple times out of the year to definitely deep cleanse those areas in our living space that are just cluttered and just take up a lot of space and things like that. So I definitely try to make sure that a couple times throughout the year, usually when the seasons change. So now it's getting into spring, so I'm kind of cleaning things out and getting rid of things that I don't need. So that includes all of these hair products that I really don't use. So yeah, I'm gonna walk you through how I'm gonna do this, and let's get started. These are my hair products that are like I go to every now and then. My most used hair products are actually in a drawer in the by the sink area, so I'll show you that later. But these products are kind of like when I want to like switch to something else or do something specific with a specific styling product or something like that, or I'm going to review something. These are these hair products, and to be honest, I don't touch them. Like I really don't. My hair color gels I do, but for the most part, most of these don't get used. So I'm just going to get rid of them. So what I've been doing, you know me, I have been all about researching things that are good for my hair, like the proper ways to use things and the proper ingredients and things like that. So I've really been mindful of what I've been putting into my hair. So I basically went through all of my shampoos that I have, because shampoos are like the #1 most important thing, because that's like the nutrition for your hair. So I basically organized them into these categories that have to do with the type of surfactants that are in there. So pause. So we all know that sulfate is not our friend, right? Sulfates are not great for curly hair, but sulfates are what cleanse the hair. Sulfate is a surfactant. That is what helps cleanse the hair. That's what basically like a detergenting agent, you know, soapy and things like that lathers up. So we know that we don't like sulfates, right? But something has to replace the sulfate, another surfactant. And that can be a gentle one or a harsh one. So just because it says sulfate free doesn't mean that it's a-okay, because something had to replace the sulfate to cleanse the hair. It's not like they just made it with a whole bunch of oils and moisturizing agents, because that's not gonna cleanse your hair. That's shampoo's job, is to clean the hair. Now, it doesn't have to be with sulfate. There's millions of other surfactants there. So that's just a little tidbit. So I researched like the ingredients and stuff like that. I don't recommend you doing this because you can go like into a deep rabbit hole in it. You know, I'm not a chemist, you're not a chemist, well you may be, and you know, we're doing our best out here trying to navigate all this stuff. So I did my best with categorizing my shampoos, and hopefully I can give you some tips on, you know, the ones that I have, and maybe you can figure out where yours fall into. Alrighty, so the first category that I have products that fall into, it is Gentle Synthetic Surfactants. So that basically means that within the first 5 ingredients, which the first 5 ingredients are usually what makes up the majority of your product, these shampoos consist of Gentle Synthetic Surfactants. I'm gonna get rid of my Form Cleanse. If you guys don't remember, I used to be a Form ambassador, but I'm gonna get rid of this shampoo. I'm gonna keep my Care one. If you guys don't remember, I did do a video on this a while ago. I'm gonna keep this one only because Lacey really likes this, so she is going to keep using this with the whole line here. But I told her if she starts to notice a change in her porosity that we're getting rid of this, because no. Alright. I am donating a majority of these things. There are some things that are brand new and never been used, and I was thinking about doing a giveaway, but I don't want to give away items that I have never used on my hair to give to you guys. I don't think that's right. You know, I can't vouch for it or anything like that. So I'm just going to donate them, and then hopefully in the near future I can do a giveaway with things that I have actually used and actually like. So with the Form Cleanse, I'm actually going to get rid of the whole line that I have here, which includes conditioners. I had a backup shampoo, there's the clarifying shampoo, and then I have these styling products. So styling products are something that, you know, you use it to achieve a style. It doesn't have such a large impact on the health of your hair. So, you know, it goes on top and you just use it to achieve a style. So I can say for these styling products, they're not like my favorite and things like that, so I can definitely part with them. That's fine. I do have the twisting cream and I never actually got to use it. I might keep this because I never actually got to use it. Okay, so my next category is shampoos that contain harsh and gentle surfactants. Harsh surfactants coming first and then gentle surfactants in the list. So what I have here is the Revlon Realistic Shampoo, the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Shampoo, this Naturally Bioterra shampoo that I got sent, and then I have another Naturally, this travel packet back here that I actually really like, and I actually did show on my channel. So I am going to get rid of these along with the rest of the products that come with it. So from Form, I am going to keep the polish, which is like a solid oil type of thing. I do like it. And I'm gonna keep the edge control from Revlon Realistic. This is pretty good. I'm gonna keep that. From Bioterra, I do have this styling alcohol-free defining gel. Gives precise styling control, paraben-free, blah, blah, blah. So I haven't used this. As far as ingredients, it looks pretty good. It says its hold is on a 3 out of 5. I kind of want a 5 out of 5. I don't know, I'm thinking about whether I should keep or donate this, so we'll see what happens. So surfactants can be synthetically made, but they can be naturally derived. So what we want to achieve, our goal is to just have naturally derived surfactants, naturally derived all ingredients in our hair products. So some companies do try to balance it out by having harsh surfactants followed by natural surfactants or gentle surfactants and things like that. So I do have this cleanse under hair care by Girl in Hair. I do have a video on this entire line from a while ago. I am going to keep this because this is really useful when I do have braids and things like that. Obviously the nozzle is, you know, for that purpose. And I like it. I mean, it gets my hair clean. It's a clarifying shampoo, so I understand why it has harsh surfactants, because you are going a while without washing your hair and things like that. So I'm gonna keep this set just for that. Okay, and then as far as the last shampoo that I have here, I actually have a sample of this. This is the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo, and this actually falls into the category of natural surfactants. So this is made with completely natural like surfactants, and I had no idea, so I think that's pretty cool. So I'm going to keep this. I'm going to try this out one day. I'll probably like put it in a travel bag or something like that. So yeah, I definitely did not know that about TGIN, but I'm glad that I have this sample to try out. Okay, so as far as the rest of this stuff that I have here, so I have here the TGIN Miracle Repair X line. I have the protective leave-in conditioner, and I have the deep hydrating hair mask. It's kind of blown out, sorry. But I do have a video on these products that I did, and looking at the ingredient list is pretty good, honestly. So I'm going to keep this because Lacey does use these from time to time, so I'm going to keep this for her. I have these Aunt Jackie's and Cream of Nature things. I'm just gonna get rid of those. I have these from Curls, the Cashmere and Caviar line. I have the hair jelly and the hair serum. I don't really use oils like that. I wouldn't mind using it on my scalp. I should start doing scalp massages again. I kind of stopped for a little bit, don't know why. And then I have the hair jelly for a kinky textured hair. As far as ingredient list, it does have glycerin in it, which I like glycerin type products because it's a holding agent. It clumps your curls together, so I really like that. So I am going to keep this and try this out one day. Next up, I have this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curl Gel. Y'all know this is an OG for me. I'm sure a lot of you have used this product as well. I actually have a backup over here, but I don't know. I haven't used it in a long time, but I'm just going to, I'm gonna part ways with this. It's been great, thank you. But I'm gonna have to give it to somebody else. Okay. All right, and I have this Curled Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. So another like deep treatment mask. I am going to donate this. If I already have this one from TGIN, I don't see the point of having two like hair masks things. So I'm just gonna. Okay, so back here I have a bag of things that I've been collecting for a giveaway sometime, whenever, I don't know. But I have here samples of the Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil line, but like you saw, I am donating that, so I'm gonna get rid of these samples. And I'm gonna keep, I have some like combs and picks here, so whenever I plan to do a giveaway, this is where all those things are going. Okay, back here I have my Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. You guys know I love this stuff. This is actually a backup. So I am going to keep this because I love this stuff. And these are all of my curl color gel things. So I have two from Gemini Naturals and I have one from Hair Paint Wax. I have a video on these, comparing these, so I will link that for you to check out. All right, so let's zoom in here. As you can see, I have insanely condensed all of my things. I have insanely condensed all of my things. I kept my under hair care line. I kept some styling products that I still want to try out. And I kept styling products that well, this is something that I still need to try out, but my curl color, my backup, shampoo that I want to try. But this is crazy. Like, this is crazy. And honestly, we need to stop putting products into product purgatory. We need to stop buying things and just having them sit on a shelf and like only using them like once every other month and things like that, because that doesn't make sense. So I definitely recommend cleaning out your product, whatever it is that you have, and just let it go. Let it go. Alrighty, so we have moved to my main product drawer. This is my little section for my hair stuff and my glasses and my contacts and things like that. But these are the products that I like mainly use and gravitate to. So I put them in this drawer to so I can, you know, they're just in this main area. So I'm going to clean this up as well. Alrighty, so now that I have all of my random like tools and things and whatever out of here, now I can focus on my actual products, and I have them in this little, this was a PR box that I got, and I put all my products in here just to create some like organizational space. I need to go in the drawer and actually clean it. But yeah, so these are my go-to products at the moment. So this is my Diva Curl No Poo Original. This is the shampoo that I have been using for the past month or so, and this falls into the category of having gentle and then natural surfactants in the ingredient list. So I am going to keep this because this is what I've been using, and my hair has significantly changed within the past month that I have been using this. This is my Melt Into Moisture. I actually just used this for the first time yesterday. I still don't know if I like it or not, so I have the receipt in case I need to take it back. But yeah, so I'm keeping these. This is my styling cream. I'm actually gonna throw this out because I don't like this anymore for my hair. I prefer gel, so I'm gonna throw this out. This is my gel, like I said, Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly, and then this is a sample size of the Light Defining Gel from Diva Curl. This Aussie 3-Minute Miracle, I used to swear by this, like as far as detangling and things like that. I recently used it maybe like 2 weeks ago, and oh my god, my hair got so hard. It just is not used to this anymore. I haven't even looked at the ingredients for this, but I don't know, my hair has just changed significantly since I started using my Deep Curl No Poo, so this is a no-no for me. And then my Form Multitask Leave-In Lotion, like I said, I kept that little travel size that I have, but this one is empty, so I'm gonna have to throw that out. And yeah, now this is empty and I need to clean it and put everything back. Alrighty, so here we have Lacey's drawer, and her drawer is not as extensive as mine, but we are gonna get rid of some things. So these are old products that she used to use, a lot of Shea Moisture and things like that. And looking at the ingredient list, honestly, they're not horrible. They actually fall into the Gentle Surfactant followed by Natural Surfactant category. So not that these are horrible, but she has moved on to other things, so I'm going to get rid of these. I'm gonna put everything that she has currently been using from the closet in here. So these are now her go-to items. I'm just going to put that in there. Alrighty guys, so here's my bag of things that I am donating. I'm actually going to be taking these to a women's shelter today, along with a whole bunch of clothes that Lacey and I cleaned out from our closet. So I'm super excited to be able to donate this stuff, honestly. Like I said, most of this stuff has not been used in a very long time, so there's a lot of product in here. And I am going to go through and open the things that I have used, make sure my hair is not in there because that is not cute. And yeah, so this is about it. I haven't calculated the total of how much money worth of product is in here, but I am going to do that and put it on the screen to see just how ridiculous it probably is. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get into at least $100. Well, it has to, because the Form line alone is like at least $100, so probably more than that. But yeah, this is just what I wanted to show you guys. Definitely encourage you guys to go through your product drawer, whatever, and clean out your stuff and really figure out what is best for you as far as ingredients and product lines and things like that. So yeah, this is a weird angle for me, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I inspired you to clean out your closets all around your house, whatever they may be filled with, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye.